What is up, guys, and welcome to another edition of the Market Marauder Show. Hope everybody is having a great week this week. Hope everybody is able to lock in some profits. It's been a pretty busy week. A lot of earnings happened this week, but overall, I hope everybody is able to lock in those profits and get some good gains and grow your account. All right, so we'll be talking about penny stocks under $1. So let's jump into it. All right, so first on here, we have ticker sign CTRM for Castrol Maritime. This stock has been on the channel before, so it's not any new stock to the channel. Just popped up on my radar for this week as well. They did touch 90 cents. So looking at the chart overall, though, moving average 10 is above 50 to 100, and VWAP is above moving average 10. So I am using the 30-minute chart, and this is from the perspective of Webull. So if you'd like to sign up for Webull and get 4 free stocks when you deposit $100 or more, I have a link down below where you can do so. So this week they touched 77 cents. They ended the week at 75 cents. Then after hours, just went up slightly to still end at 75 cents. So overall, still positive, in my opinion, on that metric. They are bullish, like I said earlier. And I think, based on VWAP being as high as they are, and then bouncing off this moving average 50 line, which is this yellow line, I think that, they may continue to go up, and they also ended on a positive note to end the week. So that's always good news as well. Background information on them. On the first, they announced that they're purchasing a new vessel, so vessel acquisition. They're basically going to be buying a new vessel. So it says global shipping company specializes in ownership of dry bulk vessels announced that they enter into a separate wholly owned subsidiary into agreement to purchase 2010 Japan built uh, Comsermax. So that's the name of the vessel that they're buying. And then also on the 3rd, so this is the 3rd of February, they also are purchasing another vessel. So they purchased this first one on February 1st for $15.8 million. And then this one on the 3rd, they purchased for $14.5 million. So I think that's good for the company overall. They're expanding their fleet, which will definitely help bring some more income into the company overall. So I think it's positive in what they're doing, and it could be a good catalyst for the company moving forward. Next, we have ticker sign VGZ for Vista Gold. Now, they did touch $1.10. This was on the 1st of February, so not too far away from that. But then they kind of been oscillating between that 110 and then this level right here, which seems to be their lowest, which is 94 cents. So they've been oscillating between that. They did touch $1.02 starting off the morning on Friday, but then kind of went sideways after that. Overall, they're still bullish though. Moving average 10 is above 50 to 100, but going to be looking to see if VWAP can go back above that moving average 10 line. So that's definitely one thing that I'm going to be looking at for next week. They ended the week at 99 cents. They went up 1 cent after hour to end at $1. So only 2 cents off from that morning open of $1.02. So going to be keeping a close eye on them. Background information on them: they are just a mining gold company based out of Australia. So not really too much going on with them. They don't really have any new press releases going on, but this is the website. Just wanted to give you all some insight on what they were doing. So next we have ticker sign NSPR for Inspire MD. Now they did have a week high, if we scroll out and see here, of 84 cents. So that was a pretty high level for them. Moving average 10 is above 50 to 100, so very positive metric on them. Looks like they're starting to begin a breakout that started around Friday morning. They continued on to after hours for Friday. So it definitely could be a potential early morning mover as far as Friday is concerned. So I mean, for as far as Monday is concerned. So on Friday, they ended at 82 cents. Then after hours had a small little rally of 1.10%, not too much. Still stayed in the 82 cent range, but they did touch 84 cents as their high. So only about 20 or so, or less than 20 cents away from moving up to that week high of that 84-cent metric, which I think is a realistic value if we can see this VWAP go back above this moving average 10. So it had a lot of momentum for them on Friday, so going to be looking at it on Monday. We can see on the news articles, they didn't really have too many new things coming out. They did have an article come out the 4th and 3rd of February. So on the 3rd, it says they secured a partner for intended registration of distribution of CG or Seaguard EPS in mainland China. So that's a pretty good metric for them. Definitely going to be looking for some more updates on that partnership. Then they said on here for Inspire MD announces pricing of upside of 18 million underwritten public offering. So that is something that, you know, that'll gain quite a bit of capital for them and definitely will help them as time goes on. So definitely going to be looking to see the close of that and more updates on this partnership as time goes on. But those are very fresh articles, so I think those are both catalysts for why this company is continuing to go up. But I think they may have some more momentum left for this move upward. So I'm going to be looking at them on Monday. Next, we have ticker sign GN for Genesis. They hit a week high of 83 cents. Still on a bullish uptrend, though, that started around the 1st of February. We can see here they went up and crossed that threshold of the moving average 10 and 50. I mean, the moving average 50 and 100, which is this purple and yellow line. So the moving average 10 crossed that, so that began their bullish uptrend. We can see that they are still bullish at the time of this video. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. So the red line right here is above the yellow and purple line. So red line being moving average 10. VWAP is above moving average 10, barely, but it still is above. So both of my indicators are positive. So I would say it definitely has the potential to move up. Definitely will have to test this 83-cent level next week because that seems to be a resistance for them. But if it can do so, maybe it will have another potential breakout. It seemed to have bounced off of the moving average 50 line. So if we see it dropped off right here and looking at the candlestick, it bounced off of the 74-cent metric, which was the moving average 50 at the time. So, you know, had a good bounce when it fell from this 83-cent level and then bounced off and just continued to go up. So that's a good sign, in my opinion, that it could have some more rallying potential. If we see on here, they ended the week at 78 cents, and then after hours went up just a little bit to end at 79 cents for the week. So background on them, this is a press release that came out the 3rd. So it just says Genesis Healthcare announces resident and staff vaccine acceptance rates. So it says to date, 84% of skilled nurses and residents and 61% of skilled nursing staff have been vaccinated. Staff acceptance rates far exceed national averages, as reported by CDC. So it seems like they have been able to get vaccines to those people who work there, and that definitely will help. You know, going on for prevention from this CDC guideline. So definitely going to be looking for more updates on that. This is one of the first companies that I'm seeing that actually publishes, you know, the data of, or that I've seen published data on, you know, the percent people who have gotten it as far as workers and uh, you know, staff people, and you know, I'm wondering if more companies are going to be doing this moving forward. But you know, I think it's very interesting that they put this in a press release. But you know, may be able to see some more updates from this moving forward with other companies or other percentage of healthcare working facilities. All right, so last on here we have ticker sign GPL for Great Panther Mining. They are bearish. Well, no, they are bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100, but VWAP is below moving average 10. We can see if we zoom in right here, there's been a convergence line at 83 cents right here at the moving average 50 and moving average 100. Moving average 10 is at 83 cents. So, yeah, barely above 83. uh, 5, and then this one VWAP is at 834, and then these are at 832 and 831. So very close, merger on that where all three are basically crossing. But overall, the stock ended at 84 cents for the week. Definitely going to be looking to see how this performs moving forward since it has crossed above to become bullish. So definitely going to be keeping a close eye on this one since it's so close as well. It looks to have had like a small little rally towards the end of the week after it fell off from this metric, but we'll see how it performs on Monday. So background on them, they are a mining company as well. They mine gold, so it's definitely one company to look at. I think mining companies are going to be the focus of a lot of different things moving forward. With all the people in Wall Street bets groups and stuff talking about silver prices. I think gold mining companies and gold in general will go up as well, just like silver is beginning to go up. So definitely going to be keeping a close eye on mining stocks as time goes on, and that's why I have this one on my list. So ticker sign CTRM, ticker sign VGZ, ticker sign NSPR, ticker sign GEN, and ticker sign GPL. Make sure you drop a comment down below. Tell me which stocks you guys are watching for the week. And good luck to everybody out there trading. I hope everybody's able to lock in some profits. Hope these videos are helping. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.